Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to post a video on Steam, and it will be an updated tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So first of all, you can see we have this username in here. You just need to click over here, view my profile. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to that place. So from that place you can see this is the option. So you just need to be set up your Steam profile. Once you completely set up all this thing, then it will done. Now you just need to come over here and go to the account details, and then actually you can see something like this. So here you can just need to be check all this thing is proper way, and once it's done you just need to go over here this name project HM, and here you will make a name for yourself to connect and play. So you will get something like different. So let me show you that one. So you will get something like this. I already set up a perfect account for us for our using. So here you will find out this video option. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then you just need to link your YouTube account, then you can easily upload your videos over that place. So this process is really simple. I hope you understand how easy the process was to post a video on Steam. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.